Hello everyone, welcome you all to another video of Tech Talk. Hope you are doing great. We always use Microsoft Excel to make a spreadsheet for our office or personal uses. And we all know how great Microsoft Excel is as a spreadsheet maker. And I wonder sometimes what actually cannot be done in Microsoft Excel. Everything you need, it's there. Well, today we'll try to understand how we can make a checklist using Microsoft Excel, which is checkable and at the same time uncheckable. Let's start then. Before you can use the checkbox form control in Microsoft Excel, you need to make sure that you have access to the Developer tab. If you don't have this tab at the top of Excel, it takes only a minute to add it. Right-click anywhere on your Excel ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. On the right side of the windows under Customize the ribbon, make sure Main tabs is selected. Then from the list below, check the box next to Developer. Click OK to save it. The best way to begin your checklist is to add the list items. Even though you can always add or remove items later, list some items, anything you like. To insert checkboxes right next to your list items, go to that cell and then go to Developer tab from ribbon, and from Control section click Insert and then pick Checkbox option in the Form Controls area. You will then see your cursor changed like a plus sign. Drag the plus sign in the right tab of your first list item. Release when you see a checkbox. You can always format the checkbox by right-clicking the checkbox and going to the Format control. You can make changes to its appearance if you like. And finally, select the checkbox cell and drag to the end of the list items if you want all the cells to have the same checkbox. That's all for today's video. If I helped you, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that if I upload any video in the future, then you will be the first to know. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.